All right, this video we're going to go over starting procedures for a flooded Stihl 700 circular saw. This method can be used for any circular saw or chainsaw. So right now, Firefighter Turner has recognized that the saw is already flooded. It's currently in the full choke position, so all he's going to do is to turn it up to the no choke position. Make sure your starter switch make sure it's not off and it's in the run. He's going to hold the starter grip right here. He's going to hold the throttle trigger and pull the starter grip just until it starts. Depending on how bad it's flooded, you could have to pull it numerous amount of times. Just be patient and it will start.